Hello and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodity markets. I'm Ria, and today we are examining the crucial Indian wheat market, which finds itself in a peculiar state of inertia, caught between strong government interventions and restrained market activity. Wheat prices in the Delhi market remained unchanged this Friday, settling into a tight range. This stability is not a sign of strength, but rather a reflection of balanced, albeit cautious, activity. Flour mills, the primary buyers, are purchasing in only limited quantities, matching the steady, unchanged daily arrivals of about 6,000 bags in Delhi. At Lawrence Road, wheat was quoted stable at 2,775 to 2,780 rupees per quintal. The market recently witnessed a brief recovery in prices following the government's decision to suspend wheat sales under the Open Market Sales Scheme, or OMSS. This suspension creates a paradox. The government had offered a significant volume of 4 lakh tons under OMSS, but mills had lifted only a fraction, just over 1,48,000 tons, due to weak participation. The suspension has reduced the availability of subsidized wheat, which typically supports open market prices. However, the overall bullish impact is moderated by the fact that the government still holds a large central pool buffer, ensuring overall stability. In a decisive move to curb any unwarranted price rise, the government recently reduced the stock limit on wheat for entities like traders, retailers, and processors. This limit has been imposed until 31st March 2026, despite the large central buffer. This dual strategy of suspending OMSS while imposing stock limits is designed to prevent hoarding and speculation, acting as a crucial price ceiling and reinforcing market stability. The underlying fundamental picture is robustly positive for future supply. According to the Agriculture Ministry, wheat sowing under the ongoing Rabi season has advanced significantly. As of 5th December, the area covered reached 241.40 lakh hectares, a substantial increase compared to the 217.81 lakh hectares recorded in the corresponding period last year. This higher acreage strongly suggests the potential for an excellent harvest, which is the biggest long-term factor against any aggressive price rally. Despite all these complex factors, demand for wheat products is expected to remain firm due to the ongoing consumption season, adding a floor beneath the market. The coming month could see a major move in wheat. Will firm consumption demand finally overcome the supply confidence created by record sowing and government intervention? Or will the price remain confined until the new crop arrives? For our advanced, proprietary analysis on the specific price levels that will determine the next breakout or breakdown, giving you the analytical edge you need, please contact us. Our number is displayed on your screen and in the description box below. Connect with us for advanced analysis to confidently navigate this pivotal period. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for more market-moving insights, and I'll see you in the next video.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और सर्षे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।